In a dramatic turn, during the ongoing Thabo Bester prison escape saga, the state has officially withdrawn charges against accused number 5, John Masukela, a former G4S security employee. The announcement was made in the Bloemfontein High Court on Tuesday during a pre-trial hearing involving Bester and his co-accused. I'm going to withdraw the case against one of the accused. I think we can excuse him and he can go in peace. And that is accused number 5, John Masukela, the state prosecutor told the court, effectively clearing Masukela of all charges. Bester duped the Facebook grey post and 8 co-accused, including his partner, Dr. Nandipha Makutumana, are facing a litany of serious charges relating to his high-profile 2022 escape from Mangaung Correctional Center. The charges include fraud, corruption, aiding and abetting an escape, violating a corpse, and defeating the ends of justice. Makutumana was apprehended with Bester in Tanzania following their escape is currently mounting a separate legal battle. She has approached the Constitutional Court, challenging the legality of her arrest and deportation to South Africa. Meanwhile, court proceedings were once again delayed by legal representation issues and logistical hurdles. Advocate Lerato Moela, representing Bester, requested additional time to consult his client, citing difficulties accessing critical video evidence stored on a USB evidence. Moela also alluded to personal financial challenges that could affect his ability to continue with the case, and said the delays are caused by an outstanding application concerning Section 35 rights of accused number 7. He needs proper access to video footage in order to prepare. The court's patience wore thin as Judge slammed the persistent delays, especially after Makutumana's father and co-accused Zolile Sekelani revealed he remains without legal representation. Sekelani told the court that the legal aid South Africa had rejected his application for assistance and that he only recently learned how to appeal the decision. Sekelani explained and said, "I was not aware of the appeal process. The person assisting me said they would introduce me to a lawyer, but communication broke down. That caused delays." The judge, visibly frustrated, made it clear that the court could no longer tolerate further postponements due to administrative shortcomings, and said this uncertainty affects the entire justice system. "I must have a definite answer. Either we begin on July 21 or we make other arrangements. The responsibility of securing representation lies with you." With Masukela now officially released from the case, the focus shifts to the remaining 8 accused as the high-stakes trial continues to unfold against the backdrop of one of South Africa's most audacious prison breaks. The matter has been postponed to July 21, with the court warning that further delays will not be entertained. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.